Welcome to the Great North Gardener. I'm Albert, and I grow in a Zone 5A climate. This is a quick how-to on protecting strawberries with netting and clever fake predators. And we'll keep it organic, gentle, and wildlife-friendly. But we're not the only ones who love a sun-warmed berry. There's nothing like picking and tasting right from the plant. Then one day it blushes red and vanishes. Or worse, pecked and ruined. A determined flock can wreck a crop in a morning. Goodbye jam jars and summer puds. Hello frustration. It's a classic standoff, but it doesn't need to be a war. The most reliable way to protect strawberries is netting. Use bird-safe netting with small mesh, about 1 centimeter or less. It keeps heads from getting stuck and stops beaks reaching fruit. Don't lay nets straight on plants. Build a simple hoop frame. Push hoop ends firmly into the soil, spacing about 1 meter apart for a sturdy tunnel. You want a smooth arch with clearance above the foliage. Drape the netting so it reaches the ground on all sides with some slack. Seal the edges, bricks, stones, or a line of soil. Leave no gaps, do a full lap and feel for sneaky entry points. Create a simple flap with pegs so you can harvest fast. Check daily. If anything slips in, you can free it quickly and safely. Keep the net taut. If it sags onto foliage, birds can peck through and spoil fruit. Netting is king, but decoys add backup. A realistic owl or hawk silhouette makes small birds think twice. Move it every day or two. Change height, corner, even head angle. Movement sells the threat. Reflective tape crackles and flashes, cheap and effective. Old CDs make great spinners. Unpredictable light patterns unsettle birds. Soft chimes add a friendly nudge. No loud bangs needed, and neighbors will thank you. Combine them. Netting, a moving decoy, and a bit of flash. You're building a little theater that says, not worth the risk. Result, ripe berries left for you, wildlife left unharmed. Install netting and set decoys as soon as berries lose their green. Get ahead of that first taste. We share our gardens. Deter, never harm. Skip sticky gels and poisons. Choose bird-safe mesh and check it regularly. Within days you'll see fewer pecks, calmer beds, and fuller bowls. I'm Albert. Here's to a bountiful bird-friendly strawberry season. Tells us what you think in the comments and like and subscribe.